Hello guys, you're welcome back again to our channel. This is Lydia Labella and you are much welcome to our channel. So guys, in today's video I'm very excited. I just came to share with you guys my good news. Okay, so please, if you are watching this video you're watching the video for the first time, don't forget to like, thumbs up. And guys, I'm so excited today. Do you know what? I came back from church. Today is Sunday, and before I enter my house, on my gate, I saw this. What do you have to say, guys? See this? I don't know if you're going to see it very well. I'm so excited. Okay, let me put it like this. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? Oh yes, guys, are you seeing that? You see? So for those of you who don't know what this is a Google Adsense pin that just came in. You know, I have it here. It's coming from France. I'm seeing La Poste de France, de Paris International, and I'm seeing also UK. I don't know if it's, if the UK is coming from or France is coming from, but I think it's France because everything here is mostly in French. So it's from France, guys. So I would like us to unbox it together. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so excited, guys. So let me unbox this thing. And let me see, for those of you that does not know. So guys, if you don't have this thing and your channel is monetized, there will be no way for you to be able to withdraw your money. I'm afraid though. Let me not gonna go and tear something very important inside. Oh my god. Oh my god. So finally I have my pin here with me. I hope it's like that though. I hope it's like that though. I hope it's like that though. Wow. Wow. What's happening here? What's happening here? What's happening here? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. My Google Adsense pin is here. So guys, wow, your pin. Sorry guys, I cannot show you this information because it is a personal information. You know, you are not supposed to share this information. Okay, so it says Google Adsense, your Google Adsense personal identification number, that is your pin. Welcome to Google Adsense. Your account isn't set up to receive payment yet because you don't have enough money inside. So please follow the instruction to verify your address. Dan 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 dan. This is my, as they call it, my Google, the link. Okay, the link. Enter the exact pin as appear on the right and click submit. Further instruction available here. Okay, please note that we will stop saving ads through your account if you do not use this pin to verify your address within 4 months. Thanks. Okay, now here, this side is my pin. So this pin or this code is unique to your account and the payment address you want to verify. Sorry guys, please do not share this code with anyone else, and know that Google will never call you or ask for your code. So these are personal information. I can't share it with you guys. So now let's go to the second one and see. Sorry guys. Now second. Oh, don't destroy it, Lydia. Don't destroy this. Okay. carefully there. Be carefully there. Okay, let me verify something. Okay, it's the same thing, guys. The same pin here in both papers. So, guys, thank you so much. I'm happy my pin is here, and thank you to one of my friends that helped me to actually do this thing. I'm going to call him now and tell him that my pin is here. So I'm so excited. Thank you, guys.